To buy Solana using Coinbase Wallet, follow these steps. Set up Coinbase Wallet. Download and install the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Set up a new wallet or import an existing one with your recovery phrase. Add funds to Coinbase Wallet. Transfer Ethereum or another supported cryptocurrency to your Coinbase Wallet. Open the Wallet app, tap Receive, and copy your wallet address to transfer funds from another exchange or wallet. Connect to a decentralized exchange. Open the Coinbase Wallet app and use the built-in browser to navigate to a decentralized exchange that supports Solana, such as Serum or Radium. Alternatively, you can use platforms like Uniswap if they support SOL. Access the swap feature. On the DEX platform, look for the swap feature. Select Solana as the token you want to purchase. Execute the swap. Choose the cryptocurrency you're swapping for SOL. Enter the amount you wish to spend and review the transaction details. Confirm the swap and authorize the transaction in your Coinbase wallet. Verify purchase. Once the transaction is completed, Solana will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Check your balance to ensure the purchase was successful.